Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where 1 power x plus 2 power x is equal to 4 power x, or so at first we divided by 4 power x both sides. We can write 1 power x over 4 power x plus 2 power x over 4 power x is equal to 4 power x over 4 power x, or here we can apply this rule: a power n over b power n is equal to a over b whole power n. Applying this formula, we can write here 1 over 4 whole power x plus 2 over 4 whole power x is equal to, here 4 power x cancel out 4 power x, so it will be remaining 1, or 1 power over 4 is same as 2 square, so we will write 2 square whole power x plus 2 over 4 same as 1 over 2, so we will write 1 over 2 whole power x is equal to 1, or here we can apply this, here we can write 1 over 2 power 2 whole power x plus 1 over 2 whole power x is equal to 1. Here we can apply this rule: a to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power mn is equal to a to the power n whole power m. Applying this formula, here we can write 1 over 2 power x whole power 2 plus 1 over 2 power x is equal to 1, or now we see 1 over 2 power x, both 1 over 2 power x both term is same, so 1 over 2 power x is substituted by y, so we will write 1 over 2 power x is equal to y. So our equation is 1 over 2 power x is equal to y, that means y square plus 1 over 2 power x is equal to y is equal to 1, or y square plus y, taking this positive 1 to left side, we will get negative 1 is equal to 0. Now here we can apply quadratic formula, so we can write here y is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to negative 1. So we can write here y is equal to minus 1 because b is equal to 1 plus minus square root of b is equal to 1, so 1 square minus 4 times a is equal to 1 times c is equal to negative 1, so it's bracket on over 2 and a is equal to 1 or y is equal to negative 1 plus minus square root of 1 square, that means 1. Negative times negative is positive and 4 times 1 is 4 over 2 times 1 is 2 or y is equal to negative 1 plus minus square root of 4 plus 1, it's 5 over 2 or here we can see two cases so we can write y is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 or y is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. But remember y is equal to 1 by 2 over 1 by 2 power x, so 1 over 2 power x is equal to negative 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 or y, that means 1 over 2 square root of x, sorry 1 over 2 root square x, so we will write here 1 over 2 power x is equal to negative 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. Now here we can see 1 over 2 power x power any number is positive, but negative 1 negative square root of 5 over 2 is negative, so negative not, so positive not equal to negative, so it is rejected, it is rejected. Here taking log to both sides, we can write log 1 over 2 power x is equal to log minus 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 or here we can apply this rule log b base a is equal to b log a. Applying this formula, here we can write x log 1 over 2 is equal to log negative 1 plus root of 5 over 2 or both sides divided by log half, we can write x log 1 over 2 over log 1 over 2 is equal to log negative 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 over log 1 over 2. This log 1 over 2 cancel out this log 1 over 2, so x is equal to log -1 plus square root of 5 over 2 over log 1 over 2, or x is equal to, here we can apply this rule, log a over b is equal to log a minus log b. Applying this formula, here we can write log, here rearranging it, root 5 -1 minus log 2 over log 1 minus log 2, or x is equal to, here we can apply, here we can use calculator, log root 5 is equal to log 2.236 -1 minus log 2 over log 1 minus log 2, or x is equal to log 2.236 minus 1, it means 1.236 minus log 2 over log 1 minus log 2, or x is equal to, the approximate value of log 1.236 is 0.092 minus the approximate value of log 2 is 0.3 over log 1, that means 0 minus log 2, the approximate value of log 2 is 0.3, or x is equal to 0.092 minus 0.3, it will be remaining 0.208, but here negative, so it will negative over 0 minus 0.3 means minus 0.3. This negative cancel out this negative, so it will be positive. So the value of x is 0.693. This is the approximate value of x. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.